Introduce highlight features or overview summary of PKOLSFE car DVD player headrest mount holder. There are features include practical function. This car headrest mount is specifically designed for in-car DVD players, securely holding the player in place to prevent shaking or sliding even on bumpy roads. It can free your hands, allowing you to enjoy movies comfortably during long trips and daily commutes. Premium material. Crafted from premium Oxford cloth, this car backseat holder boasts exceptional load-bearing capacity, making it less prone to cracking or deformation. It also features excellent wear resistance, maintaining its sleek appearance and reliable performance over time. Thoughtful design. This headrest holder won't obstruct the DVD player's screen, ensuring the normal operation of your device. It features adjustable straps that can be flexibly tightened to fit headrests of various sizes, providing a secure and stable hold for the player. Easy to mount. This car backseat mount can be installed quickly without any additional tools. Simply align the mount with the headrest, wrap the straps on both sides around the headrest, tighten the straps for a secure fit, and then place the DVD player, not included, into the mount. Wide application. Measuring 10.2 by 7.9 by 2.0 inches, this headrest holder is compatible with most 9 to 10 inches swivel and flip DVD players. It fits easily on headrests in various vehicles, including cars, SUVs, vans, and more, meeting your diverse usage needs. If you want to get full features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe. Recommend new products releases update all day YouTube channel to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.